Look at how nice that is. Look at how pretty this hem is. Like, I'm gonna do this to all my t-shirts now. Okay, granted, it's uneven in some areas, but like compared to other times when I've rushed through the process and just hemmed super quickly, this just looks so much better. This is a Carhartt shirt I got in size medium, and the after looks a lot better. It's just better proportioned. So the first thing I did was lay down my t-shirt flat on the ground and measure the pit to pit measurement, and I got 22 inches. What I then did is measure from the center back over here to the bottom, and it was 28 inches, so I want to subtract 6 inches in total. However, I want to include this factory seam because it's nice and it looks professional and clean. You see the hem is around 1 inch long. To keep the factory hem, I will be marking 7 inches away from the edge. This is my shirt, and I folded it up so that the end of the factory hem would reach up to where I marked 7 inches from, and I just pinned it all the way. What you're going to do is you're going to sew a straight stitch at the end of the factory hem. Try your best to find thread that matches the color of your shirt. These are my settings. The tension is between 2 and 3. I don't know if the tension works the same way on all machines. And I'm sewing a straight stitch between the length 4 and 3, so it's going to be a pretty long stitch. As you can see, the needle should like line up right down the middle, so it's as close to the edge as possible. I'm pinning perpendicularly, so my sewing machine can just sew right through the pin, and I can just remove them after. And wow, look at how nice and straight that is. Isn't it so nice? So what we're going to do after that is we're going to fold it inwards, and then I'm going to iron it. I used to skip ironing when I was sewing until freshman year I took 3D art, and my teacher would make us iron every time we finished a seam, and it's honestly worth the extra effort. So this is what you have now. It's like nicely tucked in, which is nice. So now we're going to sew 1/8 of an inch away from this seam. This is what it looks like when I top stitch the edge. Get rid of this extra fabric on the inside, and we're just going to cut it off, leaving a little bit of like buffer with the seam we just sewed on so that it doesn't like unravel. Here I'm cutting the excess fabric, and then after that you're basically done. Wow, look at that. Isn't it so amazing? It's just an overall better fit. Now the shirt no longer covers the Nike logo on my sweatpants. This video is a bit different from my other videos, I guess, but I did not learn how to hem a t-shirt nicely until recently. It's been pretty life-changing, so I just wanted to help anyone who needs it because this hem is really good, and yeah, it's definitely an upgrade from what I've done before. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and you can follow me on Instagram. Okay, bye!